All right. This is how you get a guy to think about you. All right. Look, there are two reasons why people think about people. The first one is that oh my God, which is the first one? Oh, a temptation. Sorry about that, right? The first one is a temptation. When they think that you could provide a certain pleasure, when they think that you could provide a certain fantasy, it doesn't just have to be sex. It could be that maybe he wants a relationship with you. Is that maybe he thinks that you could provide him with a certain satisfaction in life, not just sex, but with kids, or that you're promising him the future with him, right? So that's the first reason why people think about you. The second reason, and which is more powerful, is when you fear like you're gonna lose a person. Ladies and gentlemen, you will think more about your leg when you think you're gonna lose your arm, when you think you're gonna lose your arm than when your arm is well. You're gonna more. It's like when you know you're about to get your when you know you're about to have a foursome that night. Oh, you're excited. Oh, you're excited. But when you know that your dick is about to be cut off that night, there's nothing in the world that will make me not think of that. I can promise you, right? So this attitude that we're going to be talking about is an attitude that makes the guy feel like he has you, but at the same time, it feels like you're slipping away. And this is all an attitude. Simple attitude. A lot of things in life is your attitude. And let me tell you what attitude that is. When you're with him, you're going to show him how much you really appreciate him. You're going to talk to him how you really appreciate him. And this is what I do for the simple fact that I'm an avoidant attachment kind of person. It's something that I really need to change. And this is something that I've noticed about myself, which is really unfortunate, right? I really, really hope that I change. I'm really working on that this year. I'm seeing a therapist so I can change this because it's just a part of my nature. I'm too cold to women sometimes, right? So what you got to do is be warm in person, right? Be who you are. Love them. If you want to love them, show him your love. Not tell him, show him your love, right? But when you're not in person, you want to make him feel like he could lose you. Now, let me show you how it's done, right? The women who have done this, I've always fallen for them. It's just how it is. I've always fallen for them. Maybe it's my own attachment styles, but every time a woman has done this to me, I've always fallen for them. They'll be super sweet. First of all, you have to have chemistry with the guy. If you don't have chemistry with the guy, this is not going to work, you know? So that's just something you can't control. First of all, me and that girl, there's been plenty of girls, like, it's crazy how that works, right? Fucking bitches. God damn, I hate them. Sorry, I'm in camera. My fault. By the way, ladies, I have a seminar coming up in New York City, Chicago, LA, Miami, and Toronto, and Australia, Sydney, and Melbourne. But I gotta put the Melbourne next. Click on the description to know where I'm gonna be going to your city. All right. Anyways, as I was saying, and by the way, check out my Spanish channel. I have a Spanish channel, description down below, right? I literally transcribe what I say in Spanish in this, right? So the girls usually will say like, I'll say, hey, you can't stay over tonight. They'll be like, okay, cool, no problem. It's like they're fucking happy that they can't stay over. Or let's say I'm like, yo, baby, yo, can I fuck you one more time before I leave? And she's like, nah, but just hit up one of your girls and just hit up one of your girls. Remember this fucking girl always said that to me. I was like, yo, baby, come on, man, like, come on, I gotta go, but just, come on, give me one more time, man. She's like, nah, hit up one of your girls. I'm like, god damn, bitch, I'm not saying if I can hit up one of my girls, I'm asking you, god damn. You know, but it's crazy because we were friends with benefits, right? But the fact that she's telling me to go hit up one of my girls, it's almost like she's saying, I don't care how many girls you're fucking, I don't care how much pussy you have. Go hit them up. I'm not down for it right now. I swear to God, ladies, tell a guy, hey man, you know, you want to hang out tonight? Just say nah. Like if a guy thinks you're needy, and you tell him go hit up one of your girls instead in a nice way, almost like you're saying nah, just hit up one of your girls, man. I swear to God, that will. You're not gonna look needy anymore. I can promise you, baby. I can promise you, you're not gonna look needy no more. I can promise you, you're not gonna look needy. You're not gonna look needy. No needy woman would say that shit. Now look, he might go fuck that girl. Oh, trust me. I'm like, all right, cool. But a part of me is gonna feel like, damn, man, I thought this girl liked me, man. Like, what the fuck? Like, it's like my ego would be hurt, right? But that doesn't mean that you don't show me attention. That doesn't mean you don't treat me like a king. That doesn't mean that you show me love. That you don't show me love. You show me love, but you're sort of a little distant when you're not around me, right? So you want to train yourself. Whenever he says, like, hey, what are we? Just say, we're just casual right now. And you might say, oh, so you just want us to fuck, huh? Of course you would say that, Alex. No, I'm not saying that. God damn, relax, woman. What I'm saying is that sometimes when you, it's like kids. When you want something, when you don't want something, it's like the opposite of kids. When you want something, they want it, right? But with men, when you don't want something, they'll want it. Right? So I don't care who you are. Show interest as much as you can. Go ahead. As long as you don't live with the guy, show as much interest as you can. But when he's away, you leave him the fuck alone. I swear to God, it is counterintuitive, but it's almost like when you trust your own kid to make his own decisions. That kid is gonna grow up to be more responsible. He may make mistakes, but that kid is gonna grow up to be a more responsible kid because you allowed him to flex his muscle of independence. You see what I'm saying? So let a guy do what he does. I can promise you, man. In me, as avoiding of an attachment as I am, anytime a woman does that, I can't help but like her more. It's just how it is, man. Like, it's crazy, And this is something that I would say initially is always good. But if you're dating the guy, you can't tell him that shit. All right? If you're dating the guy, you can't tell him that shit. But I will always say that. I always say that every 4 dates, you want to cancel one of the dates, right? Well, it is what it is. But sometimes when you cancel the dates, say, hey, not much, but just hang out with one of your girls tonight. Just say, hang out with one of your girls tonight instead. I can't tonight. I swear to God, that motherfucker may not have any of those girls. He might say yeah, right? He might say yeah, but he's gonna be like, fuck, that's who I want her tonight. I swear to God, ladies. I know I sound crazy sometimes with some of the shit I say, but this really hurts their ego. It just does. And the way to a man's heart, it's not through his stomach, it's not through his dick. Ain't nothing wrong with that though. We encourage that. No, ladies, don't do that, okay? You do not get a guy to like you through sucking his dick. That does not work. I can promise you, love does not come from my dick. Love does not come from my dick. Love comes from my heart, all right? But what gets a guy is when you push him away. Simple as that. But again, like I said, be as loving as you can because you want to be loving. You want him to be like, man, I wish all of this love she's giving me would just be me, be mine, right? And like I always say, the best way to start a relationship is no pressure, and that means sometimes it's being friends with benefits initially. Now, some of the older people may not agree with me, and that's okay. But I bet you could find ways to apply this in your relationships as well. All right, ladies. Ladies, I'm thinking of changing some things up. I may not be doing YouTube for women as much anymore, to be honest with you. I may do this for 1 or 2 years and finish it. I think I've done all I could, to be honest with you. I feel like I've done all I could with this women's channel. I think I put everything that I could in this channel. I think there's no other library on YouTube about dating advice that's as extensive and as in-depth as mine is, in my opinion, So I really see a deadline in this channel one day. One day, I will not continue doing this as much anymore. I'm just letting you guys know. I'm going to continue growing this channel for the next 2 years. And then I'm going to work on the other channel for women that I have in Spanish for the next 2 years, for the next 3 or 4 years. I'll continue doing it with the men because I don't have as much content for them. But eventually this is going to be over one day. You guys might say, why? I have other plans, man. I want to be an artist. I want to do other things. And yeah. All right. But for now, still keep going. But one day this is going to be over eventually. All right. All right. All right, ladies. This is Alex from Mindful Attraction. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and have a good day. All right, ladies. So finally, I have released my second course for women, which is Natural Chemistry. This course is a 5-week course. 5-week course where every week you're gonna get a new set of videos based on specific issues. This course is all about how to create and maintain the attraction in any man.
This will help you create love. This will help you deepen the love with your man. This is not about manipulation. This is not about playing games. This is genuine, natural chemistry. No more short-term partners. No more being fooled. Why? Because I will reveal to you not only how to create attraction in the first week, but also how to understand male nature, how to understand their tricks, how to prevent from being too attached, signs that he's the wrong guy, signs that he's a narcissist, signs that he's a mama's boy, signs that he's an emotionally available guy, emotionally unavailable guy. We go over everything. We go over this third week, setting boundaries. We go over the third week, controlling your emotions, right? Setting boundaries, fourth week, fifth week, embracing your masculine and the feminine, right? And on top of that, I have over 10 different bonuses, 10 different bonuses. My Lord, have mercy, right? With a money back guarantee. The bonus are: one, the natural chemistry, over 10 hours of content, right? The breakup formula, how to deal with a breakup, right? The connecting with your man, right? Establishing a life of abundance, social mastery, understanding your dark side, the goal setting seminar, which is about how to set and achieve goals, practical mastery that will teach you how to master anything. The laws of human nature. I have a book club for the laws of human nature with over 4 hours of content, right? The transformational seminar in a pocket, which is my mindfulness seminar, and the Chase audiobook. This originally is $1,800, but you get it starting at $97, ladies and gentlemen, right? $97. We have different packages, but all of this starts at $97. And you know what? You can check it out for free if you want. Yeah, for all the freeloaders, I have free videos just for you. Free videos, all right? So you could just check it out for free, and then you could get out. Nothing wrong with that, all right? So, and on top of that, it comes with a 30-day money-back guarantee. No questions asked. That's right. No questions asked. I don't mind. I just want you guys to check it out, because I know when you take one look, you're going to want to buy it. I can promise you. Just like my other course, the psychological game of attraction, it was a hit. You're gonna love this one. This one is not about manipulation. This is genuine natural chemistry. Order it now. All right. I'll see you guys inside. Peace out.